Package dimensions: 2.75 L x 3.1 H x 2.75 W inches. Package weight: 2.75 pounds. Country of origin: Mexico. Part number: 17726.17. Omix-Ada proudly offers high-quality replacement parts so that you can keep you part of the Jeep heritage on the road. Parts that always meet or exceed manufacturer's specs for quality you can trust. This replacement locking gas cap fits 0306 Wrangler TJ, 0406 Wrangler Unlimited LJ and 0718 Wrangler JK, JKU models. Replaces OEO 5015636AB. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. Make sure to take your time on actually installing it. At first glance it would feel like it doesn't actually fit your car, but it fits perfectly.